Welcome to JH. In this guide, we will resolve the issue of connecting a bank account to your PayPal profile in under 5 minutes. While this situation is annoying, we can fix it by following a few straightforward steps to get your account working correctly. Start by visiting the official PayPal website. Launch your preferred web browser and navigate to paypal.com. Once the homepage loads, find the login button located in the upper right corner and click it. Now, input your account credentials, beginning with your email address. Make sure it is the exact address linked to your PayPal account, then carefully type your password. Take a moment to verify both entries to prevent any login errors. Then hit the login button to enter your profile. After logging in, navigate to the Pay and Get Paid tab on your main dashboard. This area is where you handle all your transactions and payment methods. Select it, then choose the Banks and Cards option. If you are having trouble linking an account, several factors could be responsible. It might be a temporary bank error or specific banking requirements that need to be met. Alternatively, check your PayPal settings or the accuracy of the data you provided. Ensure all details are current and correct. To troubleshoot further, click the Help link on your dashboard. This section offers extensive support resources for various topics. Next, select My Wallet and then Bank Accounts for targeted help. Look for the specific question, why can't I link a bank account to my PayPal account? Selecting this will show common reasons for the failure and provide potential fixes. Review these carefully as they address the most frequent linking hurdles. Each suggestion is designed to help you identify errors or system problems. Once you have tried these solutions, attempt to link your bank again to see if it works. These steps should resolve most connection issues. If problems persist, contact PayPal support for more help. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you successfully link your bank.